Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are checking out outdoor patio furniture. You guys, this is one of my favorite pieces on Amazon. It's from UMax. It is a 7-piece outdoor dining table, and it is gorgeous. You guys, this just has a ton of seating and a ton of space. I love the rectangular table. It's a little bit longer. It's gonna have a lot of space. So you can fit all of your friends around. You can have, your garden party, your meal outside, whatever it may be. This is just going to be a really functional piece of furniture that not only can you, relax and be comfortable on, but you can also, share a meal and have a conversation, gather all around and, just get your friends together and enjoy the summer weather. This is beautiful. It's got, that really kind of boxy, angular shape, super modern, really, really nice plush pillows that the cover zips off so you can change them out when you need to or machine wash them. So easy to clean, easy to replace if needed. This is made of a steel frame, so it's going to be really durable, but also lightweight, so you can move those pieces around however you need to. It's also going to be made with PE wicker, which is going to be a lot stronger than your standard wicker, so it's not going to break down, it's not going to snap, and it's not going to get moldy or rusty in the weather. So this is just a beautiful, beautiful piece. They have great customer service. That Amazon backs you up too, so no reason to be hesitant in buying. Only note really in this is that it does come in 3 to 4 large boxes and they may not arrive on the same date. So that's the only thing to keep in mind. Don't panic if you only get one box and the rest of your materials aren't there. Wait until you get them all. It may take a couple of extra days because they're shipping from different locations. And then once you have all of them, then you can start putting everything together. It's going to be a lot easier for you and save you headache down the line. Otherwise, this is an amazing, amazing dining set, and you're going to get a ton of use out of it this summer. So put it in your cart. You'll be really happy there.